أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Al-Quran, chapter 65, verse 7. سَيَجْعَلُ اللَّهُ بَعْدَ عُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Allah will grant ease after hardship. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. What are the 7 pillars of Islam? The Da'is and peers of Din-e-Haq taught and emphasized the esoteric or Tawili aspects of the 7 pillars of Islam. Shia Islam has 7 pillars in contrast to Sunni Islam, which follows 5 pillars. Hazrat Imam Muhammad al-Baqir alayhi salam said, quote, Islam is based on 7 pillars: walaya, tahara, salat, zakat, sawm, hajj, and jihad. Unquote. Among these pillars, the most fundamental is walaya, which is following the authority of the Prophet or Imam of the time. Because it is through the devotion for wali that the other pillars can be understood and practiced. Walaya plays an important role among all these pillars because in Tawil or esoteric meaning, they all revolve around the Imam of the time. You can read more about it in the article of A Living Branch of Islam, Ismailis of the Mountains of Hunza, written by Dr. Faqir Muhammad Hunzai. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.
Join us on an enlightening journey as we unearth esoteric wisdom in the illuminated vault. Expand your knowledge and deepen your understanding of our faith. Send us your questions and comments to globallectureseries@gmail.com with the subject line Ask Sophia. Explore our website at global-lectures.com to embark on this transformative experience. Thank you for learning with us. با ما در این سفر علمی وصل شوید تا حکمت باطنی را کشف کنیم. علم و دانش خویش را وسعت داده و فهم خویش را راجع به عقیده ما عمیق‌تر سازد. سوالات و نظرات خویش را به ایمیل آدرس globallectureseries@gmail.com ارسال کنید و در عنوان ایمیل Ask Sophia از Sophia بپرس بنویسید. وبسایت ما را بررسی کنید global-lectures.com تا این تجربه تحول خیز را آغاز نمایید. سپاس از این که با ما می آموزید.